to Cars Jade Channel. Today we delve into the essence of automotive excellence with the new 2025 Skoda Enyaq. The 2025 Skoda Enyaq stands as a testament to innovation and versatility in the electric SUV segment. Its refreshed design, enhanced aerodynamics, and advanced technology seamlessly combine style and functionality, appealing to a wide range of drivers. Whether prioritizing efficiency, luxury, or sporty aesthetics, the Enyaq caters to diverse preferences without compromising on quality or performance. As Skoda continues to push the boundaries of electric mobility, the Enyaq reinforces its position as a leading choice for those embracing the future of driving. This model is not just an upgrade but a bold statement in the evolving EV landscape. Skoda has made significant upgrades to the Enyaq for 2025, setting the stage for an even more refined 2026 lineup. The facelift version introduces a sleeker look with aerodynamic enhancements, an expanded tech suite, and improved battery range. These updates ensure the Enyaq remains a strong competitor in the growing EV market. The 2025 Enyaq comes equipped with a luxurious and tech-rich interior designed for modern drivers. Standard features: the entry-level SEL trim offers a 13-inch central touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, heated front seats, a cooled wireless charging pad, and a heated steering wheel. Advanced upgrades: Edition trim enhances the experience with matrix LED headlights, a massaging driver's seat, rear window blinds, and dark chrome exterior accents. Sportline trim: this variant elevates style and comfort with sporty seats, a 3-spoke steering wheel, a head-up display, and a premium Canton stereo. The Enyaq lineup features 3 distinct powertrain options to suit various needs. The Enyaq 60 comes equipped with a 59 kWh battery, delivering 201 brake horsepower and 310 Nm of torque, offering a range of up to 268 miles in its standard SUV body. The Enyaq 85 steps up with a 77 kWh battery, producing 282 brake horsepower and 545 Nm of torque, achieving 0 to 62 miles per hour in 8.1 seconds and a range of up to 359 miles for the SUV or 365 miles for the coupe variant. For those seeking all-wheel drive, the Enyaq 85X combines dual motors with a 77 kWh battery, generating 282 brake horsepower and providing a range of up to 332 miles for the SUV or 334 miles for the coupe. The new model starts at a base price of £39,000, which is slightly higher than the previous model's starting price of £36,970. It will be available in 3 trim levels: SEL, Edition, and Sportline. The Sportline trim, known for its premium features and sporty aesthetic, begins at £48,750. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.